It has been exactly 50 trading sessions, or 50 trading sessions since the trading halt was lifted on Blue Sphere. We can see it closed the session of the 21st of May 2021 at $0.056. And we have a position in Blue Sphere. We have to point that out. 3.6 or that 36.7 million shares crossed the tape during that session. And moving down, we can see what's going on. Still has a market cap of $30.2 million. And there's something that the many commentators, especially Ray of 808, pointed out. And this is as it concerns the risk of Blue Sphere being taken over. So this is a risk all of us involved in stock might face. The fact that the stock is, fundamentally everything's all right. It's running a business, generating electricity, and all that stuff. Though not so much so in the US. But the danger there, is that you can see it's in the market cap of $30 million. And it stands a risk of being taken over. And if it's taken over, it could go private. And I have a position. I have a position in a company that has been delisted and all that stuff. So I see myself hoping and praying that it comes back in the market. So these are some of the dangers that or some of the risks that we all facing with Blue Sphere. So moving down, we can see what's going on with the stock. It is just trading in between its short-term trend lines, or rather moving averages, based on this daily model we are looking at right now. You can see that the price rate of change, which is the first oscillator we're looking at right now, is not so wonderful. I think MACD is slightly above MACD histogram is slightly above zero. The MACD is also above the signal line. I think it says Blue Sphere appears to be in a strong bullish trend. 200-day moving average is upwards. It's upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero. Okay, it's currently outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum for Blue Spheres measured by 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is waning. This means that investors are less aggressive in the recent purchases and may even be taking profits from positions but at lower prices. The unbalanced volume indicator shows that longer term accumulation has given way to near term selling pressure by traders. So I think all in all, momentum is waning. Longer term selling pressures giving way to near term accumulation. So more and more people are gradually picking up the stock. So the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator and the unbalanced volume indicator are diverging currently. So in a very short time, the stock is even though it says it's bullish, I think over the last 1 week, over the last 5 trading sessions, on the average, the stock has traded within 0.058 and 0.057. So that's the range it has traded in. So all in all, even though it spiked, it's reached this 0.07 valuation or price as at the 17th of May during that past week, but it has since retraced. So all in all, the stock has pulled back, presenting buying opportunity in the short term, but we have not really seen the sort of dips that will really warrant you to think that the short players are here at it again, trying to manipulate things, sell it and then entice you to buy again so that they will probably sell again. That really has not occurred over several weeks now. So all in all, I think the urgency is there now. The urgency for those who are already in the stock, or those who are not there ready to get buying. The stock is definitely like Ray of 808 mentioned to me. The stock is going to go off the charts. So you decide whether you will increase your position there, or you open a new position in blue sphere. So we're just updating you and also pointing out the risk of the stock having this sort of market cap, which is as a result of this sub-zero or sub-penny price it has currently. So it's still down to all of us, the market participants, to stick around, probably buy more as the case may be. But you have to decide. I'm not urging you to do so. So you decide. Whether you are going to go ahead and buy more. Especially as it's just trading slightly below its 10-day trend line at the moment. So yeah, you decide and see how it goes. So thank you very much for watching this video.